first things first, gotta feed the cat because she is literally squeaking at me. And it's afternoon. I had a hard time sleeping again last night. But that's okay. I don't work until 3:30 today, so I have about 3 hours now. 3 hours. Am I doing math correctly? How late is it? It's almost 1. So I have 2 hours before I need to leave, basically. So that's enough time to work on the vlog from yesterday, get it uploaded, or at least, you know, get it exported, and then eat some food. So that is the plan. Basically, my plan when I have to go into work any morning is just to be awake, look somewhat decent, and then get there on time. So I try not to do anything I try not to have anything on my to-do list more than like one thing, which today is getting the vlog uploaded and stuff. So at least getting progress done on that. It's a beautiful day here, but it's like, I think it's snowing out. It sounded like rain, but there's snow on the porch. They're more like little tiny hails, because they're like, I don't know what's going on. April, Minnesota, it's what it does here. So now this is where I sit at my very big computer in my craft room, which you haven't seen yet. It looks really awful right now. I mean, pretty awful. I'll show you anyways, but just brace yourselves. If you're a neat freak, this is the worst room in the house. So we have some nice boxes in the middle of the floor. My Expedit over there from IKEA. Everything's organized in the right place. It just doesn't look pretty at all. A whole bunch of stuff on top of it. My desk is pretty messy. Yeah, and then there's papers all over the floor that need to be filed, shredded, etc. But this is the best way to edit the vlog. So I come in here and I sit down and I get in my captain's chair and I'm like, okay, let's do this. So that's how I do it. Our lovely snow has now turned into sleet. So thank you for that weather. It's really just beautiful outside. It makes me really want to go outside and go to work. Not. Anyways, gotta get ready. And now I'm ready for work. Yay. Also, now it has snowed. What the heck is going on? Alright, well, I'm off to work. I will see you in about 6.5 hours. Before I go into work, I just want to show you what the snow looks like. It looks like Dippin' Dots. The entire time I was driving here, it was like going through a tunnel of Dippin' Dots. Apparently that's what snow looks like now. Maybe hail? I don't know. Who knows? Oh my goodness, you guys. We're having a blizzard. So this morning I thought the weather was bad. When I was driving home now, it's about 9:50. Well, it's about 10 now by the time I got home. I couldn't see 10 feet in front of me. I was going like 5 miles per hour the entire way home. Thankfully, I only live like a couple minutes away from work. But man, you couldn't even see the stoplights. There are no rules when you cannot see the road. You like 2-lane, 3-lane roads become 1 lane. Stoplights don't really matter because you just assume that nobody's brakes work. It's crazy. If you've never driven in a full-on blizzard before, I highly encourage it just because it is weird. Super weird. I mean, don't do that. It's dangerous. Don't get me wrong, but it's so weird. Now I will show you outside how darn quiet it is with snow. Oh, April in Minnesota. This is what it looks like in the middle of the blizzard. It is so incredibly quiet. You would never, it's just amazing. One of the things I love and hate about Minnesota. Let's go inside now, I'm cold. And this is what Leia does when one of us gets home. Leia, what you doing? Leia. Oh, there you are. You were in the curtains. Why are you over here now? What would you like? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Oh, Daddy trying on his new bike light? Oh goodness. Okay, don't hurt her eyes.
I turned it on the first time, and she was like sitting here, and I didn't even know she was there.
Yeah.
I was like turning it on, and all of a sudden I look, and she's just like...
Absolutely mesmerized. Because it's the same color as the laser pointer. Yeah. Oh, well, she can't see color. Just light. You crazy kitty. So now she's going to run around sprinting like a mad kitty for like 20 minutes. And meowing like somebody is hurting her. I'm sure all of our neighbors absolutely love it when they're outside in the hallway. Okay, you're going to lay down there and play with your toy? Alright. Good job, kitty. Anyways, the blizzard outside is crazy. Let's see what it looks like from here. Ooh, you can't see that. Oh, there we go. Look at all those cars covered in snow. They're gonna have fun tomorrow morning. But it's so pretty. What are you doing? What are you doing? You've already stuck your tail into Dad's food. Because apparently pizza rolls are the meal du jour. Yeah? And now you want to eat the Copic markers. You are just a handful today, aren't you, missus? She says, I just want somebody to pay attention to me. You only gave me 2 pets today. Oh no. I'm making rice for dinner. Dinner should be noted that it's 11:20 at night. That's how we roll around here. And then I'm gonna ride the bike for a little bit while my rice finishes cooking. Because that's also how we roll around here. I don't know what I'm talking about. Bike time, yay! If you've ever wondered why we call her Pants, this is one of the reasons why. This is her sitting on Jake's pants. Just like, yeah, this is a place where I want to hang out right now. This is my jam. You are so weird. Aw, yeah, chicken rice. You know, you're totally jealous of my rice and chicken bouillon mixture. At least I can cook rice, right? Tomorrow I'm definitely going to the grocery store. I need groceries. So sometimes this happens when you're in a blizzard and our internet goes down and then you can't watch anything on TV except for TV. So I guess I'm going to bed now. I was gonna stay up and watch more stuff and maybe work on the vlog, but there's no internet, so guess I'm going to bed. Gotta feed the kitty. I'll let her say goodnight to you guys. Alright, here comes the food. Alright. Miss Pants, are you ready for food? Siéntese. Good girl. Levántate. Good girl. Ready again? Levántate. Up, up. Nope. You gotta sit. Ready? Do you want some food, Leia? Siéntense. Good. Levántate. Bueno, mi chiquita. There's your food. Do you want to say goodnight? She says, good night. Thanks so much for watching. Also, from the snowy, snowy, snowy Minnesota. Holy crap, it's like 6 inches of snow. They say we might get a foot. Good night from the blizzard. Good night from me. And let's see how fun tomorrow is while I do a whole bunch of errands in a foot of snow. Let's come along for that ride because it's going to be a fun April day. If you like this video, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe if you want to watch more. That way you can get them in your subscriptions every single day. That tells me that you like it. Leave a comment below saying what your favorite part of the day was, or if you want to hear Leia talk some more, because I can always make her talk at night after she's had her food. I hope you have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow. Leia bonus footage. Did you have a good day, Leia? Uh-huh. Did anything exciting happen? Oh. Did you see all the snow? It's bigger than you are. Oh, I see. Oh. Do you want to come in the yards with me tomorrow? No, not so much. You're definitely not a car cat. Right? Right? Toot. Okay, and now you're creeping me out. Good night, Pants. Love you.